In today's video, I'm going to teach you group not working in AutoCAD. Not able to make group in AutoCAD. If you are trying to create or select groups and nothing seems to happen. Don't worry, this is a common issue and it usually comes down to a single setting. Groups let you combine multiple objects so you can move, copy and modify them as one unit. When grouping suddenly stops working, it can feel like AutoCAD is broken, but the fix is quick. The most likely cause is a system variable called PICKSTYLE. When PICKSTYLE is set to 0, group selection is disabled, which makes it seem like the group command isn't functioning. To turn it back on, click into the command line, type PICKSTYLE, and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a value. Type 1 or 3, then press enter again. A value of 1 enables group selection, and a value of 3 enables group selection, plus associative hatch selection. Either value will bring group functionality back. 3 just includes a bit more selection behavior. After changing it, try selecting a group set or creating a new group to confirm it's working. If you prefer using the ribbon instead of the command line, you can toggle the same setting visually. Go to the Home tab, find the Groups panel, and look for the Group Selection button. Make sure it's turned on. When it's active, AutoCAD will treat your grouped objects as a single selectable unit. If it's off, individual objects will highlight instead, which can be confusing if you are expecting them to act as a group. Now, if you find that the modern group command still isn't behaving the way you expect, here is a reliable fallback. The classic dialog. Type classic group and press enter. This opens the traditional group manager, where you can create a new group, give it a name, add or remove objects, and control whether the group is selectable as a whole. Many users like this dialog because it makes the process more visual and gives you clearer control over group properties. After you create the group in the classic dialog, try a simple selection to make sure it highlights as a single object. That's it. Thanks for watching.